Jackson wrongful death trial focused on Dr. Conrad Murray today. Who hired him and who did he answer to? Eyewitness News reporter Miriam Hernandez joins us live at the courthouse with that. Miriam?
Ellen, jurors are looking at a big gray area in civil law, and they're learning that they must consider multiple elements to decide whether AEG is liable for Jackson's death. Today, AEG defended itself with an expert who testified about background checks and hiring practices. Michael Jackson died at the hands of Dr. Conrad Murray. Now in court, accusations fly about who was responsible for hiring and controlling the doctor in the first place. Jackson or Jackson's tour promoter, AEG. This unsigned independent contractor agreement drafted by AEG has become a central document in the case. It spells out the terms of Murray's employment. Today, the AEG witness is a human resources consultant. Roma Young reviewed AEG's policies for retaining both independent contractors and employees. She described the AEG agreement as unusual because it involves three parties. Quote, "It was AEG acting on behalf of Michael Jackson to get his request honored. He wanted his personal physician to go with him," unquote. She testified that AEG operated within industry standards in human resources, that the company has a screening process for hiring employees, and that the independent contractors, such as Murray, are vetted differently. A doctor, Young stated, comes with a license. Young rebutted the testimony of the Jackson HR expert Gene Seawright, who testified that the doctor was in a high-risk, safety-sensitive job, that AEG should have investigated the doctor's finances. The Jackson attorneys assert that because Murray was about to lose his home and was behind in child support payments, that he complied with Jackson's request for propofol in order to keep his job as the star's personal physician for the tour. The AEG witness says there was nothing to indicate that Murray was in a high-risk position. She testified that credit checks are done for people who are being hired for high-ranking financial jobs, not doctors. The Jackson attorney attacked Young's credibility. Question: have you worked on negligence and retention cases? Answer: no. The plaintiffs also brought out from Young that AEG did not have a specific criteria that spells out what the company should do before hiring, retaining, or engaging an independent contractor. And tomorrow, jurors will hear from more Jackson doctors who will testify about Jackson's request for propofol just months before he died. Reporting live from downtown Los Angeles, Miriam Hernandez, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
All right, thank you, Miriam.